Alright, we are going to take a look at this TG-125 portable wireless Bluetooth speaker. So it does look the same as those JBLs out there, but it's not from the same company because this is from T&G. Of course, some minor changes on those buttons. BT stands for Bluetooth. On JBLs, it's actually a Bluetooth symbol. So comparing it to a JBL Xtreme speaker, as you can see, the passive radiator on the JBL is way bigger or larger than the one on the TG-125. Of course, it's even bigger inside as well. So it does look like a mini JBL Xtreme, I guess, clone type of thing. So as you can see on the buttons, the T&G does have that key called M because this one has different modes. It does have FM. You need to insert aux wire into that to get FM, and then TF is for the SD card reader if you have music on it. But for the JBL Xtreme, all those JBL Xtreme lovers out there, of course you know that's only aux for the JBL Xtreme and the Bluetooth. Then those two USB ports for charging, but I never use those because it will kill the battery faster. Okay, so guys, let me know what you think about this speaker, and if you wanna see more videos about it, let me know in the comment section.